Every, huh? That's up to you. Since I already gave this to you guys on here for your notes, you can copy it if you want. But honestly, all you guys need is this part right here. So get the title down, like get the name of the theorem down, and then this box part. Okay, that's all you need. Okay. So the yellow and the purple box. Just get those down. Wait. Didn't I just see Brant? I saw him earlier. I saw him like at the beginning of the day. Ozzy's not here? Why you keep moving? James not here? Okay, I think we're good. You guys got that down? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna use it right now. So here's my first mini example. It's a pentagon. Okay, what does a pentagon look like, guys? Martin? You literally hear me. 5 sides, okay? But I'm gonna draw it like this. I'm gonna start with like a square. And then I'm gonna draw a triangle like on top. I'm gonna erase this part. Okay. And like honestly, I think this is like the most important part of the lesson today, okay? So, please listen very carefully. Okay, you guys got the pentagon? Alright, over here, your little formula that's a part of your theorem, you see n, right? N stands for the number of sides, okay? So, maybe just define that. N is equal to number of sides. Okay, and then how many sides are there in a pentagon? 5. Okay, just if you want to really make sure you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. My interest in this section is to find the sum of all the interior angles, right? So I will use the formula that's provided by the theorem, n minus 2 times 180. Okay. You do know what n is, right? I think we said about 3 times now. N is equal to 5. So you're going to replace n with 5. Okay. It's 5 minus 2. 3 times 180. 540. Okay. I don't think I really need you guys to like do it in your head. Okay, use a calculator. You guys have your phones and everything. Just use it, okay? Okay. I'm gonna go off to the side because this is where I try to make it make sense, right? So if you go to the side, what's the most basic polygon that you guys know? That's the most basic one? That's kind of complicated, no? How many sides is that? 8? Alright, that's a lot of sides. What is the least amount of sides to make a polygon? A triangle. Okay, so a triangle. I think you should. Okay, so if it's 3 and it's a triangle, what is the sum of all the angles in a triangle? 180. Right, that one should be like automatic, right? What is the next polygon? How many sides does that one have? It looks like a square, right? But it can be a square, it could be a rectangle. But how many sides does it have? 4. I'll just draw a square, okay? Do you know the sum of all the angles in a square? That's 1. 360. And we just found the one for a pentagon, right? How many sides again? 5. Pentagon looks something like this. And what are the sum of the interior angles? 540. Okay. Do you guys see a pattern? What do you see? Just 80? 180, right? So you're adding 180, right? And from the quadrilateral to a pentagon, how much are you adding? What's the next step? 180, right? It's the same exact number, yeah? So you're adding an additional side, and then the consequence of adding that additional side, you're increasing the degree by 180. And what do you usually associate 180 degrees with? A triangle. So you can basically say that you're adding a triangle to every polygon. Okay? So let's look at that idea, right? So you guys look over here. You guys remember how I drew it at first? A square and a triangle. Didn't I add a triangle to the square? If I did that, I made a pentagon, right? But how many triangles are in this pentagon? There should be 3. There should be 3. If I cut the square in half like that, there's all my triangles. There's 3 of them. Okay? Some of you guys might think like, oh, I might want to cut it this way again, but you can't cut it twice. Why not? Why not? Because like, if you're doing that and you add up those mini triangles, right? 1, 2, isn't this just a triangle? Well, this shape right here, these 2 triangles, what does it make? 90 degrees. Does it makes a square? Oh, the 2 triangles? Yeah, these 2 right here. They make a triangle still. Doesn't make any sense. You can't cut it again. Okay? Okay. So let me take that out. Is what I just said, does it make sense? Okay, do you see me adding all the triangles?
Why is the number of triangles that it creates important?
Huh?
Why is the number that of triangles it makes, why is that important?
Why does it work like that?
Why is it important?
Why is it? Because don't you see the correlation? You said 3 triangles, right? You see this step right here?
Yeah.
3 times 180. It will give you the sum. You see it? You see it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here's the first example. Copy that down.
just changed.
Oh, it's the message. I don't know why they gotta send you.
Send it to me.
I don't know why they gotta send you a whole.
What does students send?
It's a little meeting.
What did the student do?
What? Decagon. Where's your sheet? All right, you guys ready? No. You know it has 10 sides. Good. Okay, I guess. I don't know. I'll just keep going. Okay. So I have this thing on the side where we put what we know. Right? Kayla just read that this thing is a decagon. Okay. If it has a name, well, they technically all have names, but the ones that I gave you go up to 12 sides. Okay. Anything past that, I'll tell you about that after this. Right here, we know a decagon is 10 sides, so that means n is equal to 10. Okay. What else do you know? How are you gonna find the sum of the interior angles? What? You say compass? Oh, convex. Oh. Okay, the convex part, that just means it looks like a normal shape.
We know it equals 144 degrees.
Huh?
We know it equals 144 degrees.
Okay.
So you gotta like,
Each one, right? Do you know what the theorem gave you to work with? I'll help you out. N minus 2 times 180. Okay, you use that every time. Okay? Okay, what you're gonna do is you replace n with 10, right? What'd you say? Okay, so the sum of all the interior angles in a decagon is 1440. Add it up all together. Okay. I think Kayla, you were reading the singular angle, right?
yeah,
You said 144.
yeah.
So if you take that, you multiply it by the number of sides, you will get the sum. Okay, that's another way to do it. Okay? Okay. Are you guys good with this one? Alright, I do want to mention something up here. So if you find space up here, can you add it in? So you guys know on your sheet I gave you up to 12?
Yeah,
Yeah? It's a dodecagon?
yeah.
Okay, I'm pretty sure 13 and 14, they all have names. Pretty sure they have names, right? I don't know them. Okay, I don't think you guys need to know them. But past that, you just put the number of sides and gone. So like, for example, a 25 gon has how many sides? 25. Okay? Maybe just copy it down because it's going to be in your book. What about a 36 gon? 36. Okay. It's okay. Someone had a question about that. Huh? There's 3. Okay, so here's 2. Okay, if anyone wants to get me started, what do we know from the problem?
100.
Yes. So you already know the sum is 900, right? So just maybe tell yourself that. Okay. And then, you know, which formula are you going to use again? Yeah, times 180. You're going to connect the two. Okay? So this question, what are you looking for? N. And N is the number of sides. Okay? So that's what you need. Okay? So right here, you're going to set it up like this. So N minus 2 times 180. And you already know what the sum is equal to, right? 900. So you set it equal to 900. This will help you find the number of sides. Okay? Do you guys know what to do first? By 180
So it's 5 sides.
not quite, because you got n minus 2 is equal to 5, and then add 2. So how many sides does this have? 7. And it has a name, right? What's it called? Heptagon, but I see and hear more of septagon, so I'll use septagon. Okay, let's pretend this thing didn't have a name. What would you call it? 7 gone. Okay? Okay, so find the number of sides and then name it. Okay? So far, so good? Yeah? Nothing too crazy, right?
Better not get crazy.
Okay, you guys ready for the last one?
No. Is it gonna get crazy?
No.
Okay. Oh, that looks crazy. Man, I'm gonna say
Copy it first.
no one better listen to this.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, no one better listen to this?
Yeah.
Well, for the people who are absent,
No one needs. Jinx is not gonna look at this video.
okay, other people from other periods though?
Yeah, maybe. That's fine though. They don't know.
You got one extra viewer.
Wow. Huh?
Martin, someone else.
So I can have like the lesson online, so if you guys need like,
Why are periods?
Find out.
I didn't do it 2 and 3. I guess I'll just take turns. Last week I did 2, last week I did 3. I haven't done period 4.
Yeah, for a reason.
For a reason.
Then look at the chat.
Why?
Bro's gonna look at the chat now.
It's not me.
What is it? What is it?
It says, Mr. Help me with accolades, please, with the L.
Oh, that's probably one of my past students. What's his name? Dizzy? Are you guys ready?
No. What the heck?
Hurry up.
He said hurry.
Yeah, I've been here for like.
Alright, we're ready. I'm not ready. Get off your phone.
Okay,
Alright, we're done. Come on.
quadrilateral.
Yeah.
What are the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral? 4 sides. 360. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna add up all the angles and you're gonna set it equal to.
And minus 2 equals.
No, you already know what it is, right?
Yeah, we already know.
Yeah. So you like you literally add them all, right? So x plus
108 plus 121
X equals
plus
72.
59. Come on.
is equal to,
I don't know about that one.
you said it,
360.
360. Okay, good. Is it gonna be 360 every single time?
No.
No, it depends on the.
They're shape.
Okay, good.
Oh my god.
Okay, good. Okay, you add them all together.
I don't know why you're laughing.
X plus what?
Plus 108. I mean,
What's all that stuff? I think this is
Wait.
180, right? So x plus 288 is equal to 360.
man, you did that.
Subtract.
Of course it's 72. 72, 72, yeah.
You guys said 72.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Good job. Congratulations.
There you go. You're done.
God did a good job.
We're done?
That's it for the examples. Your homework.
No.
I want you guys to get something down on your paper. That's why I want you to have your own paper out.
Yeah, you haven't even been using it. You've been on your phone.
Nine viewers.
All right, you guys good with this?
Damn bad.
Okay, so on your paper, you guys see how you have the interior angles right here? To the right of it, can you add this column for sum? I'm giving you the sum of the interior angles already.
So we're only going to 5 people on the right side.
Well, I mean, you should know 3 and 4.
No.
180 and
That's too hard to remember.
what do you mean? 180 and 360. Okay, so everything else is right here for you. Okay. So get that down first. I mean, if you don't know any of this, you just add 180 every single time. Okay. I would. On your paper. Oh, you want me to just leave you with no paper and everything? Yeah.
Oh, you can't go back there.
Are we good?
No. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, come on, right? She's not.
Okay, here you go.